Close reading comprehension strategies. Text annotation. What is close reading? Close reading is a careful and purposeful reading of a text. Students really focus on what the author has to say, what the author's purpose is, what the words mean, what the text structure is. It always involves rereading the text. So why should you annotate text? It keeps students focused and engaged with text. It makes comprehension more conscious and intentional. It's useful with difficult or complex text. It provides information for later discussion. And it's a strategy for cross-curriculum lessons. There are two essentials for text annotation. First, you mark only important words, phrases, or sections. Then you stop to write down your thinking and why you marked it. Annotation is interacting with text. You underline keywords and phrases in the text. You make notes in the margins. It forces the reader to pay close attention. The reader begins to think with the author about the evidence. How to begin annotating a text. You read with a pen, pencil, or post-it in hand. You read everything at least twice. The first time, you read quickly to get a sense of what the text is about. The second and subsequent times, read carefully. Mark anything that you think is confusing, interesting, surprising, important, or unfamiliar. Annotating. Circle or underline important ideas and write a margin note to explain why. You mark repetitions or emotionally loaded words. You put a question mark next to confusing words or phrases, defined from text or from using a dictionary. Note passages that seem inconsistent. Note passages that generate a strong positive or negative response. Writing questions. You write questions where you made annotations for the teacher to answer, for class discussion, to use in future writing assignments, or to keep as a reminder. Margin notes. Before continuing to read, stop and jot down a few words in the margin that explain why you chose to mark those words. The goal is to explain your thoughts, opinions, or questions. Try to imagine you are having a conversation with the text inside your head. Make connections between this text and other texts you have read, information from other classes, for personal experiences, or from mental images or pictures.